1. Don't speak loudly on the train. In Japan, trains are almost sacred. You get on, sit down, and listen. Absolute silence. If a tourist speaks loudly, laughs, or makes a phone call, everyone notices. They won't yell at you, but you'll feel 20 silent stares fixed on you. This respect for shared space is one of the reasons why traveling here feels so different. 2. Don't walk while eating. In other countries, eating a snack while walking is normal. Not here. In Japan, it's considered impolite and inconsiderate. If you buy an onigiri or a drink, stand to the side, eat it, and then continue on your way. It's a small gesture, but it says a lot about your respect for local customs. 3. Don't enter a house with shoes on. Whether it's a traditional house, a ryokan, or even some restaurants, leave your shoes outside. There's even a line on the floor marking where you should take them off. Crossing it without doing so is like stepping onto the red carpet with muddy feet. 4. Don't point your finger. It's common for us, but not here. In Japan, it's perceived as aggressive, even childish. If you need to indicate something, do it with your open hand, as if you were showing a gift. It's a simple gesture that demonstrates politeness. 5. Don't stick your chopsticks vertically in your rice. It may seem harmless, but it symbolizes a funeral ritual. If you do, the atmosphere will freeze. Instead, rest them on the base or side of the plate. 6. Don't cut in line, even if it's empty. The Japanese queue for everything: trains, elevators, shops, food. And the most surprising thing, everyone respects the order, even when no one is looking. It's a social choreography that maintains harmony. 7. Don't touch people. No hugs, shoulder touches, or effusive greetings. In Japan, personal space is sacred. Even close friends maintain a certain distance. As a tourist, your best greeting is a slight bow. 8. Don't leave a tip. Here, excellence isn't paid for, it's offered. Tipping can be interpreted as an insult, as if you were saying, "You need extra money to do your job well." Pay the exact fare and thank the driver with a bow. 9. Don't open taxi doors yourself. In Japan, taxis have automatic doors. If you try to open them, the driver might be startled or annoyed. Just wait. The door will open as if by magic. It's a moment that always surprises tourists. 10. Don't ignore the rules at temples. Temples aren't tourist attractions, they're sacred places. Here you must walk slowly, speak softly, and follow the signs. Before entering, purify your hands. Before praying, bow. If you respect these rules, the atmosphere will envelop you in a peace you won't find anywhere else in the world. Conclusion: Japan is one of the most fascinating countries on the planet, but also one of the strictest with its social norms. Today, we learned 10 things you should never do here, but there are many more surprises, secrets, and customs to discover. If you enjoyed this journey, like it, subscribe to Hidden Horizons, and get ready, because the next adventure could be in your country.